In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to restore the classic WordPress widgets. If you want to add widgets on your site, you can do that very easily in your dashboard. Just go to Appearance and click on Widgets. But after some recent updates, the appearance of the widget section has changed, and some people might find this confusing and might want to revert back to the older version. To do this, just go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Classic Widgets and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. As you can see, this plugin has a very good rating, and it's also compatible with our version of WordPress. Once the plugin is installed, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Then you get redirected to the plugins page. There's no other configuration required, so let's go to Appearance and click on Widgets. And as you can see, the appearance of this section was changed back to what it was before. This is how you can restore classic WordPress widgets. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.